a representative suit can be filed under Order I, Rule 8 of the Civil Procedure Code, CPC, 1908, allowing one or more individuals to file or defend a lawsuit on behalf of a larger group that shares a common interest. This legal provision prevents multiple lawsuits on the same issue and ensures collective justice. To initiate a representative suit, the plaintiff must first obtain permission from the court, demonstrating that a significant number of people have the same legal interest in the matter. Once permission is granted, the court issues a public notice, usually through newspapers or other means, informing all affected individuals about the case. Interested parties can then choose to join the proceedings or raise objections. If they do not respond, they are still bound by the court's final judgment. The trial proceeds like any other civil suit, and the decision applies to all members of the represented group, ensuring that a single verdict resolves the issue for everyone. Representative suits are commonly used in cases involving public nuisance, religious trusts, community disputes, and class action lawsuits. However, strict compliance with legal procedures, such as obtaining court permission and issuing proper public notices, is crucial for the suit's validity.